Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind.
To my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. We do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already a doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, how are you? Looking super fabulous as per usual. Okay, today we are doing a wig review, and this is the second one of this line of wig that I did. Let's talk about her. Today we have Sister Wigs Bubble, and it's part of their Barbie doll pre-styled wig. I have Muzi too, so if she isn't up, she should be soon. I have Bubble in the color Sombre Root Ashnut. It says that she has baby hair, she is Remy fiber, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is what she looks like up, and this is what she looks like down. I do have clips of her up, and then I have clips of what I did afterwards. I scooped her from Divatress for $21.98. Let's talk about her. Okay, so I actually had a lot less issues with Muzi when it was up. I think it looked really natural. I was very happy with it. So please watch that video. I might try to just put them up back to back. But I did not like this wig up. You can see why. I felt like at the ears, first of all, from ear to ear, it just seems a little bit smaller than normal. Not normal, but than Zuri usually has. It does have bendable ear tabs, so that was really nice. The only thing about bringing this down, and I wouldn't say it's a problem, but there's only lace from here to here. It's not like it's a lace parting or anything like that. But I do really like this as a flip over anyway, especially with these curls. This is a yaki textured wig. I have brushed her a couple times, so she's like fine. This is all the hair to the front. She's a lot of hair. She's a lot of hair. Okay, this is all the hair to the front, so I would say she's about 18 or so in a curly wig situation. But like I said, she's a lot of hair. I absolutely love this color. If you've been wanting to try gray and you wanted something a little bit different, this is giving me Bobby Bosch, the Kashina wig that I had in like TT6/Streel or something. But this is definitely sombre in. You've got your gray shades, but you definitely have some like brown shades in there. Let me turn my light off and see if you can see. Yeah, do you see there's like some brown shades in there? You do have the darker rooting, which is really pretty. I just love this coloring so much. This is definitely a cool toned wig. Overall, I'd say this wasn't an overly large wig cap. I did put a little bit of heat on her, and it says it's heat safe up to 400 degrees, but it definitely gave a weird smell, so I wouldn't put too much heat to her, honestly. I did a layered technique to cover the hairline here. I used my Tarte palette, Clay Play, this original one, not the goofy second one, and I did some lighter color and then some bronzer over top, because like our hair, like our scalp that shows, is a little bit of a lighter color. And I just did a little bit of a flip over situation, and that was it. I didn't really do much to this wig at all. I'm enjoying this wig. I would say if you like her up and you can make it work, that's great. But if not, like, I feel like she's really pretty down, to be honest with you. Like I said, this is a thick density and it's a lot of hair, but I like a lot of hair, so. And it's an ashy blonde, and I love an ashy blonde. So I think this is a great wig. If this is something you're interested in, I would say go ahead and scoop her up. So that's what I have for you for this wig review. If there's any other Sister wig you would like me to review, go ahead and check my playlist out down below first to make sure I haven't already reviewed her. And if you don't see her, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind. I was emotional, babe. I was emotional. I did some crazy shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, babe. I was emotional. Cause I can't keep sleeping without you right underneath me. Don't know what it is. I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings, yeah. Oh, you should know, hope you know that you're perfect too. Don't know what it is. I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings, yeah. It's probably my fault that I'm unclear, but you gotta tell me right now, babe, what it's gonna be. Cause I ain't gonna waste my time, cause I give my life for you. I'd give my life to you, yeah. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind. I was emotional, babe. I was emotional. I did some crazy shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, babe. I was emotional. Cause I can't keep sleeping without you right underneath me. Don't know what it is. I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings, yeah.